So men, there's this joy, like this self-fulfillment that we always have, that when your man or your husband run to you to come and borrow money or to come and beg you for money, any woman that is self-independent and your man run to you to come and beg you for money, forget, there is this, like, this self-value that will always attached to it, knowing that your man can always call you when he needs something. It's not about sex but money. Knowing that your man can stay anywhere when he needs money, he can just actually call you and say, babe, how far, I need so money for, if you borrow me. Even if you don't have up to that amount, you tell am say, guy, see the amount I get, na wetin I fit give you. He will say, okay, yes, that will do something for me. Before you know, papa, you don send am. There's this fulfillment and excitement that comes with it. Many women will not tell you. If your woman borrow you money, ensure that you pay back. So the thing there is just that men continue to borrow from us. It gives us joy. Women will not tell you this. The woman, there is this self-value. It raises our shoulder to know that we are reliable, we are independent within ourselves. In all, as a woman, work and earn your own money so that you have self-worth, self-value.